everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be unboxing this mini slime package. If you guys have not seen my last video, it's where I showed you guys how to make this mini slime package and the mini slimes inside, along with everything else inside the slime package. So if you want to check out that video, it will be linked at the end of this video, so go ahead and check it out after you're done watching this one. And if you have watched my last video, then you of course already know what's in the slime package, but you have not seen me play with the slimes or like touch any of the slimes. And I just thought it would be a really fun idea if I unbox the slime package for you guys so that you guys can see all the textures and everything that's in the box if you haven't already watched the video. So as you guys can see, I'm taking everything out of the box along with the extras. And now I'm taking out the 4 slimes that I packed up in there, and we're gonna get to the textures of these in a second. Before I show you guys all the textures of the slimes, I just want to show you the extras that we got. We got a mini notebook, a mini bear charm, a tiara, and some really cute mini gumball scented stickers. So this is the first of the 4 slimes. It's called Galactic Donut. And this slime came with these really cute star glitters, and this is a slushy bead slime. So it's super crunchy, it was super stretchy, it was really satisfying to play with, and I absolutely love the crunches. It was so satisfying to play with and so crunchy. I just love the slime so much. The second slime is called Candyland. It was a clear base slime with a whole bunch of glitters and rainbow foam beads. I also love the slime so much. It was just so pretty to look at. And again, I know I made all these slimes and the entire slime package, but I just thought it would be a fun idea to describe the textures of all the slimes for you guys. The third slime is called Cherry Popsicle, and this is a red cloud slime. If you guys didn't know, I actually showed you how to make this cloud slime in one of my recent videos, so it will be linked right here on the corner of this video for you guys. This slime was really drizzly, as I said in my recent video, and it was super stretchy and really fluffy, and it's just one of my favorite slimes. And the 4th slime in this mini slime package is called Strawberry Milkshake. It came with a mini strawberry charm and a mini marshmallow twist charm. This is a light pink butter slime. It's super spreadable, creamy, and stretchy. And as you guys know, butter slimes are one of my favorite textures, so I absolutely love this slime. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos because you are definitely not going to want to miss them. Also, we are so close to 2,000 subscribers, so if you are not subscribed, subscribe down below to help me reach my goal. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!